offline, tapos flexi time, pagkatapos hindi ka na may stress sa napakaraming problems ng mga clients. If this is what you're looking for, then perhaps you want to join our financial VA class. Ito rin yung tinatanong dito niya. I-believe this long. Sorry. But ang question niya is after bookkeeping class, we call it financial virtual assistants. So, bookkeeping class, may certificate ba kayo na ibibigay and pwede ba namin magamit to apply as a virtual assistant? Heads up, again, just to answer yung concern ng napakaraming tao, in my 14, almost 15 years of freelancing, never pa akong nahinga ng certificate. But last Saturday, itong last class ng Financial VA, nag-meeting sila because nagkaroon ang QuickBooks ng like free global certification kineso, which is yun yung kailangan ninyo. So, let's start first by answering the question, kailangan ba ng certificate? Depende. Ako kasi I offer operations management, I specialize in digital marketing, and obviously, ang hinihingi sa akin pag operations management is kung ano na yung results na naibigay ko sa clients. For digital marketing, they would probably ask for some portfolios to showcase kung ano yung kaya kong gawin. But other than that, hindi ako nahinga ng cert. Sa bookkeeping, minsan, depende sa ginagamit na system ng client, magtatanong if you are like certified for Xero or QuickBooks, Intuit, mga ganyan. And tinutulungan talaga namin kung papaano nga ba makakakuha nun. So apart from technical knowledge, apart from our certification process, which is consisted of application book, final activity, mock interview, tuturuan din namin kayo kung paano nga ba makakuha ng certification sa mga platforms. But more importantly, you have to focus on ano nga ba ang ginagawa ng financial VA or ng bookkeeper if you're offering it as a service globally, paano nga ba talaga mag-handle ng books. So if you guys want to join, we have an upcoming class next weekend, March 9, 1 till 9 p.m. So minsan mga 5 hours, 6 hours yung class and then puro touch-based meetings na after that. The good news is, may kasama pa tong 2 weeks na internship. If you guys want to join, punta lang kayo sa profile ko, tapos i-click nyo yung link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos makikita nyo na dito yung listahan ng lahat ng open classes na meron kami. Hanapin nyo lang open classes, pagkatapos makikita nyo 999 financial VA, sana yun? 999, ayun, there you go. 999 financial or bookkeeping level 3 with internship. I-click nyo lang yan, nandyan na yung form. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, ito yung i-click yung link. And in case guys na hindi gumana yung sa TikTok at saka sa Instagram, punta na lang kayo dito sa Facebook page ko. Hanapin nyo tong video na to or i-browse nyo lang yung mga nakapost doon. Makikita nyo na yung pinakang direct link dun sa form. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, nasa description box na. And again, for the most part, hindi kayo hihingan ng certification kung gusto niyo na mag-apply as a bookkeeping or virtual assistant, lalo na kung mag-a-assist pa lang naman kayo sa pagka-handle ng books and all that. But in any case, yes, we produce certificates. You just have to follow yung aming process. And we will also help you get certified sa mga platforms na ginagamit ng mga bookkeepers. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!